Well, we finally got the new project home, codenamed Willa. It's a 1941 Willys kit car. And I've been wanting to do one of these and finally found one. Chassis and it's a roller right now, but I don't think that I'm gonna use very much on this roller. Let's get under here and have a look real quick. So it's a 4-link, 9-inch. Looks like plenty of room to get a fat tire under here. So I'd like to put something like those up under here. It's got a drive shaft safety loop. Should be a lot of fun. I think it's got like a Pinto manual rack up front. I will definitely be changing that out because I want power steering in here. Let's walk up to the front. Check out the inside. It's got power windows. Continuing, I believe I said it's got power windows, but it's gonna need everything in here. I do have a color in mind, or colors in mind. I'll hold on to those for a while. Body's actually pretty straight. I am going to take on the challenge of painting this one myself. Goes under the hood. Does have coilovers, which I think is pretty cool. No motor mounts yet. And I'm thinking about a big block Ford in here. Or I mean a big block Chevy. I didn't think I said that. With a nice blower on it, of course. Just a little bit more of it. So, this is where we're gonna start from. Pretty excited about it. I think it's the last project I'll ever do. I know I always say that, but this one will be. And I want you guys to see the very, very beginning. Because this is it. Stay tuned for the next one.